Dear friend, welcome to our channel once again. Our topic for today is very important for law student and lawyer especially. How to start legal practice without any support. Recently we had made one video in Hindi on the same subject, and there was very good response from law student and other user, and they also requested to make same video in English language, especially for lawyer and law student of non-Hindi region. And with all these requests and comments, we are making this video in English so that other can also use. We have covered this video under following topic. We will not read each and every subtopic. We will cover it one by one quickly. First, we will understand who are first generation lawyer. So, dear friend, if you are law student or if you are planning to do LLB, it is foremost to you whether you are first generation lawyer or not. So basically, first generation lawyers are those lawyers. There is nobody in their family before any person in legal profession. So you first decided in your family to do LLB, then you are first generation lawyer. Then why this term and why we are discussing here? See, the problem, especially when you are first time doing LLB and becoming lawyer in your family, the challenge is you will not get required support in the court complex like the others who have family members or father or grandfather already lawyer and judge. They are getting very good support and very easy to get them settled and established either a judge or counsel or whatever way, or in corporate as well. But especially for first generation lawyer or new lawyer, it is really very great challenge. And many time, even after completing LLB, the new lawyer get frustrated and shift to other sort of profession, and they got a lot of frustration on that part. And that is why this video, to guide them. Once upon a time, as a matter of fact, I was also first generation layer around 29 and 30 year before, and I also face same difficulty, challenges to establish myself in this field. And I can have empathy, those are first generation liar, and we will be helping with all practical ways that even there is no support to you in court complex from any expert legal person, experienced legal person to support you, still you can find way and establish yourself very well. Let us see this video. So what are the key challenges? The key challenge first is how to start work in court. Court is a very big office. You don't know whom to talk and how to start, what to learn and how to learn. Very big challenge. Other challenge is how to get confidence in real to face judge. Even if you have a small case to handle, you don't know how to stand, how to face the judge, which side to stand. This much of difficulty, especially, and lacking of confidence is a very big challenge for first generation. And how to get client. See, client are also very smart. For especially new advocate, they may listen and discuss everything, but may not give you their case to handle it. And other is how to discuss and have meeting in client, especially in court complex when there is no chamber associated with you and you don't have any know-how, any relation with any senior advocate who is already having chamber. So these are the key challenges, especially for new lawyers or first generation lawyers. To start with, we have covered this video in topic. If you are studying LLB degree or if you are planning to pursue, how you should take it seriously being a first generation lawyer, so that once your LLB is clear, you can have complete privilege of all these instruction you have followed to establish yourself very easily. So what are the do's during law study? So first and foremost thing, if you have planned to do LLB, please learn law very sincerely. Whatever foundation strong you will make, that will really help you later. So this is very common point. The second important point is all LLB college scheduled courts visit frequently, especially in second year or third year or the last years. And jail visit also, lok adalat also. So wherever you find time, Please participate in such visit. That will give you real exposure of court or lok adalat, etc. That will help you later. Otherwise, especially in second last year or last year, law college arrange moot court exercise. Moot courts are dummy court exercise, and that uh, give you very much confidence that how you are going to face actual court post LLB. And there are very experienced faculty or retired judge in moot court. Those are sitting as judge panel. They correct you and guide you the right way. Other is, have very good rapport with your faculties, because there is nobody in your relationship or network, any advocate, then this faculty or especially law HOD is helping you a lot to establish, to have very good rapport with law faculties of your college. And there are internship also, college arrange. During internship, the college make arrangement to associate you with some advocate already working in the court, and you get this opportunity at least for 1 month. You can get very much confidence for client management, client handling, court practice, chamber practice, while doing this internship. So please be careful. If you are studying law, please be serious for the internship, and you will learn a lot more things. You will have real exposure of court practice, how things happen practically in the court during internship. Other is ways to become proxy lawyer. So first question maybe, what is proxy lawyer and how you can become proxy lawyer? So if you have time during your law study, you can associate yourself in any district court, and you can keep visiting, and then it will help you to make contract with other lawyers, and that will really help you later. So proxy lawyers are those lawyers, generally they are junior lawyer, and with some senior law firm or some senior lawyer, when there are multiple cases and there are more dates in same day, they need some junior lawyer to get date, next date for particular case. And these such lawyer when simply go to the courtroom and ask the judge that senior lawyer is busy in argument in some other cases, and please provide the next date, or make the case pending. So this junior lawyer do this work, and they are called proxy lawyers. Proxy lawyers, if you are able to manage to become, that will be really, really very helpful. And you can be proxy lawyer in multiple ways. If you have some reference, you can contact them. I can be proxy lawyer for your case. Please let me know when you have multiple dates. I can manage your less important date. So what is meaning of less important case, we will discuss little later. And you can help them to, even without money also, so that will give you some confidence. And if you are not getting any opportunity to become proxy lawyer, you can have some reference from your faculties. You can ask law faculties or law HOD, sir, give me some reference of some lawyer, those are alumni of the college, and that will really help you. Or if you are going to court frequently, some law firm put some ad also in common places like lift lobby and others for junior associate or junior counsel or proxy lawyer also. These are relatively same term almost. You can apply there also, and you can prove your confidence, and you may get opportunity to become proxy lawyer with them also. So this is how you can become proxy lawyer. And other is, if you are associated with any advocate or any law firm in courtroom, the most important is how you use time in chamber, because there may be certain date on particular day, and you will either through proxy lawyer or visiting with senior lawyer and ultimately come back to chamber. And how to use time in chamber, especially when you are new advocate, you can utilize your time, idle time in chamber, doing inspection of the case file. Inspection of case file is nothing but you are seeing those are the coming cases, what are the things happen in that, and what are the expected in next date. So this will give you some idea. You can read petition and reply of the petitions, and at what stage this particular case is. So that is inspection of the case file. And learn how to maintain case diary. accurately, what are the minimum information to be maintained in case diary for a particular case. That will help you when you will start handling your own case, and you can manage your case diary very well. Other is completed case file. When you have more time, you can see available completed case file and read them in peacetime while in chamber from beginning to end, and see that how this case proceeded, how the argument, cross examination of witness, and what are the other supplementary application or interlocutory order pass in between. With effective use of chamber, you will get a lot of confidence actually for real understanding of court practice. Other is learning tips for being in courtroom. This is very very important. Courtroom is basically a court chamber where judge sit and do hearing for the case. How you can be in courtroom and make effective use from learning point of view of the courtroom, we will have some point on that. So every day when court start in the morning, uh, outside there is a cause list. Cause list is basically a number of the cases to be heard on particular date are mentioned with stages of the cases. What you can do click with your mobile, take photograph of that. Okay, and then after that you can also download e-court app available on play store in your smartphone, and learn to use e-court app. That is really very very helpful for a new advocate. You can understand that how court practice actually take care, and what are the readily information available in e-court app. Even the course list is also nowadays available in e-court app. And once you can go inside and sit, uh, be in proper uniform with band, sit inside the courtroom, especially in the avoid first line of chair, be other than first line of chair. The reason being, you may be using your mobile phone to refer cause list or e-court app in between, and it should not be in the eye of sitting just here. Make your mobile silent, especially silent and in only vibration mode while in courtroom. Now when there is any calling for a case, the client will come and both counsel will come. Now you refer from your mobile that what is the number of case and the name of the case and what stage it is. So there are different stages for each case. From beginning, it start with appearance of the party, and then charge framing, and then evidence from the plaintiff, and then evidence from respondent and cross examination, and ultimately goes to the final order and judgment. You can see a particular case those is being trialed or heard at any point of time. What was the stage of that case as per case list, and how things are proceeding. That will give you really really confidence that uh, assume yourself being one of the counsel. If you have to handle this case at particular stage, how you are going to handle it. Other is observe very minutely how the judge is interacting, what type of question is being asked, and how the different counsel of both party are handling, and how where they are standing. If they are respondent, which side they are standing, and if they are plaintiff, which side they are standing. Take note, and have file with you and diary with you, and you can note down also important point, and imagine yourself that you are in the place of any counsel and how you are going to handle. And in between, come out of the courtroom. Outside there will be many client and many advocate also, and see minutely that how things are happening outside, how client are discussing with their advocate. And there may be some client those no maybe ask you something, some information about the court. Just just guide them genuinely whatever you are aware, and help them. That will give you also confidence and good rapport with the new clients. And always give your visiting card to them whenever you interact with any client, making them probable future client for you. Now we will discuss very very important things when you are in court campus or court complex, how to get client, which is very very important. So once you learn and get confidence of working inside the court, the challenge will be how to get client. For getting clients, there are very practical tips here. First of all, please assume that entire court complex is your office and you are officer of the court. Whatever is your position, you are officer of the court once you are advocate. And initially, try to be at least 1 hour before, if not over 45 minutes before the court time. If court start at 10 o'clock, please try to be there at the court complex around 9 o'clock in the morning. Why we will understand this? Be in smartly wearing uniform and having proper bed. So being in good uniform get lot of impression to new clients. They do not know how much experience you have, but you are smartly dressed. No? They get attracted towards you if they want some inquiry, some information. They may contact you, and this is very practically happen. And you can use canteen as a place for discussion with your client. If some client needs some help and he want more discussion, you can take him to canteen and sit. There is no obligation that you have to eat or drink something if you are sitting in canteen chair or you are using table. You can sit any point, any length of time with your client and have good discussion there. And there are bar restroom also available in court complex for advocate. Whatever extra bag or lunch or tiffin you are having with you, you can keep it there, and smartly you can walk and interact with your client in court campus. And during remaining time, you can prepare yourself and rest in bar restroom as well. There are other common places also, some like printer room and typist hall and other places also in court complex, which also you can make use of them. Have very cordial relation with typist. In court complex, there are typist hall or many typists are sitting, and sometimes they are sitting staggered way also. And typists are the very good resource for new lawyers, especially because they have a lot of ready template available, ready draft of different petition and their reply also, and different application they have. And many time they have client also, clients are coming to them, and if you have good relation with them, they will be really very good help to you. They will draft your application completely. They will guide you also in which courtroom you have to appear and where it is the location. However, whatever work you are giving to typists, please pay them perfectly in time to maintain this relationship. Other is, there are frequent lok adalat being arranged in the court. Whenever there is lok adalat, please attend them, understand the lok adalat. These are the gateway for the new advocate. That will give you really very much confidence, since many cases are being settled, especially in road traffic related lok adalat. And you can learn that how quickly even new advocate are settling it. And you will start getting a client, especially for road traffic challan and vehicle seize and DLCs, etc. And that is very easy to handle once you have seen it at least once or twice. We'll discuss some more tips also to make confidence in you, minimize your expenses, because once your law degree is complete, no family expect that you become self dependent and expecting help from you also. To control your expenses, for that you can have your own tiffin from home instead of eating in canteen, and you can manage it if you are conscious of that. And have printing of your visiting card, and keep distributing your visiting card daily while going from the home itself in your society or even in e-rickshaw, metro, etc. Keep interacting with the people, be in uniform everywhere. Your target should be at least 25 to 30 visiting card you are distributing every day. Imagine if you have distributed 100 card, there are the probability one card will respond you back and you will get client. And also participate in common function and gathering wherever you get opportunity. Try to participate, like election rally and other function also, and some agitation demonstration, and have ample visiting card with you, and keep interacting with the people and also giving your card to them. That will help you to make more client in coming days. And always be humble, be available, be honest and genuine to the people. Develop contact with senior lawyer, especially in court complex when you are there. Develop amicable relation with senior lawyer and especially bar members. Bar members are always approachable and available. No, no, and they give a lot of support to new advocate, especially because they want to enlarge their vote bank. Because in coming time also they want to be bar members or bar president or secretary. They will help you a lot and have relationship with them. This is very notable point. As a new advocate, avoid going to police station because police do not like generally advocate coming to police station. So please be careful. Once you get proper confidence of the process and become a good criminal lawyer, avoid going to police station, especially along with the client. However, you can go with some senior lawyer to understand that how senior advocate handle the police authority while in police station, just learning point of view, but avoid going alone along with the client for any issue. Foremost thing, try to grab all type of cases. All type of cases mean either civil, criminal, matrimonial, or whatsoever, small or big. If there are small cases and you get confidence that you can handle them, take the help of your typist and get the case drafted and show it to some experienced or senior lawyer in your network and try to do yourself. And if there are bigger or the larger or complicated cases, have repo with some senior lawyer and have a fix share on first time no getting this case, and you can hand over this case to them. That will also is a good arrangement. You will start earning from them. And only be careful, give it to the genuine advocate. Don't give to sort of lawyer not doing work seriously, and your client may not be happy with you, and as well as with the senior client, senior advocate you have handed over the case to him. So be careful in that part. By these tips that will really help you to stand there. Even there is no support to you, you can start functioning there. And if you have any more comment on that, more query, please write in comment box or write to the email given on the screen. We will also help you to locate and support you to establish at the faster. I hope with all these tips you will find this very useful, and you can see it once again and note the point so that you can start preparing, even if you are a law student. And if you have completed law degree, you can also use these tips to have confidence and start your legal practice. All the best to you. Please write your comments and subscribe and share with your friends so that they also get benefit from this. Thank you so much for watching this till